Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, once again I welcome you to my inquiry on results video. You often ask me this question whether you should go for inquiry on results or not, right? Sometimes you are pretty confident that you deserve better bench score than what they gave you, and then you try to go for EOR, but before applying you are in a fix. You are quite confused. You don't know whether you should go for it or not, because if they don't change bench score, your money is gone. And if the bench score is changed, then you get your money back. And you often have a confusion. If you apply EOR, will they decrease my bench score or not? All these questions are going to be answered in this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, consider subscribing. You need this channel to go through IELTS successfully. Alright, there are many students who ask me about inquiry on results, and then sometimes I recommend, sometimes I don't recommend, sometimes I say, well, it's up to you, I don't know, and then they decide it on their own. Let me tell you, whenever you apply EOR, go for EOR on all 4 modules, the first thing. Second, never think of applying EOR on listening and reading only. If you need better bench score in listening and reading, never apply EOR on listening and reading. That will not help you. EOR only helps with speaking and writing, and because the charges are same, whether you fill EOR on one module or you fill EOR on all 4 modules, the fee is same. That's why when you are going for EOR, just apply EOR on all 4 modules. So I'm going to share these cases of my students which actually surprised me as well. This student is from Indian Punjab, and he applied EOR, and I've got his TRF copy here with me. So he applied EOR on writing and on speaking as per my advice, right? So when he was applying for EOR, he was thinking, well, if they don't increase the bench score, my money will be gone. What should I do? But then he decided to go for it, and after 21 days he got the good news that your result has changed, and we need the copy of your TR. We need original TRF as well. When they send you a mail that result has changed, it means the good news. Okay, so actually he got the good news, and after that when he received his new TRF, and by the way, for EOR they never tell you the result. They only send you the TRF, and through TRF you get to know the result. Along with TRF there is the letter also, and the letter tells the outcome of your remark is as follows. Writing, the bench score awarded for this module has changed from 5 to 6. See that? One examiner checks IELTS writing and gives the student 5 band, and then the student goes for EOR. Another examiner checks the same writing and gives 6 band score. What is that? What is that, huh? If this student of mine, if he wouldn't have applied for EOR, definitely he couldn't get this bench score. So his bench score increased in writing from 5 to 6. It means the first examiner who gave 5 band was incapable of checking IELTS writing. Then why the second examiner gave 6 band score, right? And then see, in speaking, he was given 6 band, and that also changed to 6.5. Congratulations. And this is really, this is really annoying. 5 and 6, half band is okay. We can understand half band, but 1 band, oh God, please, for God's sake, stop playing with the future of the students. 5 band before EOR, in writing 6 band after that, and speaking 6 to 6.5. Alright guys, then I received another case of EOR from Indian Punjab, and where this student of mine asked me about this EOR, whether I should go for it or not, And what happened? Her bench score increased in writing and she got 6. Oh my God. See that? I mean, this is truly unbelievable. Her bench score in writing was 5.5 and she was not happy with 5.5. She was thinking, my bench score in writing only 5.5, and she applied EOR, and believe you me, what happened? I'm showing this to you guys as well. After EOR, her bench score improved from 5.5 to 6.5. I think there are some black sheep there. Yes, exactly. Because 5.5, and if again if she was not courageous enough to go for EOR, definitely she could never get her required band. And now after this increment, her band score improved, like listening 6.5, reading 6.5, writing 6.5, speaking 6, and she's met that criteria of minimum 6 band for Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and now she's going. So please stop playing with the future of the students. Not future only, but present also. For God's sake, I mean, how come your examiners are giving 5.5, one exam? I mean, it means the standards are not equal to mark the test. One examiner is giving 5.5. The same writing, after rechecking, second examiner is giving 6.5. Yahoo, well done, huh? Congratulations, your band score improved. Now, what about those candidates who don't apply for EOR? What about those? I think what Cambridge should do right now, whenever band score improved after EOR, that examiner who gave low band score, that examiner must be fired from there. That examiner must be fired from the job. That why you gave 5.5? Actually, the candidate deserves 6.5. Only then IELTS can be reliable, it can be trustworthy, and they are always, I mean, if in the exam you just peep around, you look around, they cancel your test. They delay your result. Now what is this? What is this? 5.5 to 6.5, one band increment. Anyways, this is unbelievable. Thank you very much, guys. If you want to apply for EOR, you must fill EOR when you are confident, and remember, EOR doesn't make any difference on listening and reading. It is good to apply EOR whenever you are not satisfied with your writing result and your speaking bench score. But when you apply EOR, you must apply EOR on all 4 modules, and definitely if you are confident, your bench score will increase and you will get your money back. That's all. Thank you very much. I teach IELTS online. If anybody wants to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.